Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got this option Restore Default, so let's tap on it and simply confirm it with OK. We just got back to the camera and this is the actually very first evidence that the reset option worked, because your device will ask you for the access to the location. Okay, we can allow it. What is more, we do not have the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.